Okay, welcome back to the channel. We've got a couple small things to do today, then we're going to be able to fire this Heritage up. I'm in the process of bleeding the front brakes. That's really the major thing that's got to be done. I've got to replace a couple clamps. The screw clamps on here with some band clamps. I'm not a big fan of the screw clamps, so I have some band clamps to go on the crossover line for the tank. And once we get that done, we can fire the bike up. So let's get going on bleeding the front brakes. Okay, so I'm going to take the cover off this. And I've already got the vacuum line hooked up down below with the pump. Okay, so we're done with the brakes. We got to put this up one final time, I think. All right, let me get some clamps. There. What size do I need here? Okay, so it looks like I'm going to have to stick with these because I don't have the right size band clamp. I must have used them all. So let's lower this down, put some fuel in it, and get it fired up. Okay, something I'm going to add to the fuel is some seafoam. Kind of cleans carburetor out and everything. Okay, I didn't have a hose clamp around the line going to the carburetor. I am getting fuel out of the accelerator pump, so let's try it. All right, let's try this again. Now I got the air cleaner on. Okay, so I came back out, did some work on the carburetor. It definitely needed to be adjusted. The idle was way off. Everything seemed to fit. I don't know what's going on with the screws that hold the air cleaner, but they were really hard to get in. And this petcock definitely needs to be replaced. Fuel was just pouring out of here a minute ago, but let's, I shouldn't need the choke because it should be all warmed up, so let's try it now. Adjust the idle just a little bit more, tweak more. I don't want to let this go too long because this fuel is going to start leaking. You can see it right there. It was just pouring down there a minute ago. all done except for this petcock, which should be an easy fix. It's the same petcock that I replaced on the deluxe, so I'll have to look to see where I ordered that from. I'm thinking about maybe just getting one to bypass the vacuum altogether. You don't really need it. That's the only thing the vacuum's for. Anyway, I got no oil leaks anywhere. So if you look around here, that's some gas that's on there, but that dripped down from the when I didn't have a clamp on it. So I'm not getting any oil leaks around the heads or anything like that. So I know all those gaskets are good. I might just do an oil change on it now, but anyway, that's gonna wrap it up for the Heritage. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do next. Maybe work on the shovel for a little bit. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.